Hello, folks. I'm back yet again, and today I got something in the mail. My BLI big boy, and I have to say, yeah, BLI messed up quite a bit here. Of course, this is the right locomotive after all. It's the right one. Uh, I just want to point out a couple things that BLI forgot here. At least I think forgot. I hope they forgot. And I'll read out the manual of what they said they did. But yeah, as you can see, the unboxing went smooth, and I was on FaceTime with my friend here, so that's why it's a bit uh, um, blurry, I guess you want to call it. But regardless, well, what am I saying they forgot? So here's the big boy, and of course it's fine. Well, I say fine in a way. Locomotive runs fine. They did clean it, which is good, which is what I asked them to do. The only problem is that it's missing some detail, and I don't mean it's just missing it. I mean it's broken. Yes, actually broken. So the locomotive was not put back into the box properly, thus resulting in the PTC panel on top breaking off. I'm not sure where that is, probably broke off at Broadway. And the whistle is gone, and so is the smoke hood uh, base piece. And I'm not sure what it's called, and handrails on the tender are broken off as well. The top one specifically. And I believe one of the class lights might be bent down. And the tender drawbar is bent down quite a lot too, thus resulting in the tender derailing, which sucks quite a lot because I really wanted this to run. Now, just to quote here what BLI said they repaired here, which they did do it right, they did say that the locomotive has been, or what do you call it, the missing parts detailed around the front lighting unit, which there were no missing parts there, were restored. Yeah, there was nothing missing there, so I'm not sure what they restored. Um, all missing slash broken parts detail are restored slash repaired according to availability at the time of repair. Now the thing is, there was nothing missing when I sent it, so I'm not sure what they would have repaired. Like I said, nothing was missing. I never asked them to fix anything like that. According to the body, just a smoke fluid. So I'm not sure what they're talking about being missing. I'm reading this from the repair performed, by the way, on the paper that they sent me. So I'm not sure what they did on the front because there's nothing else that's been added. At least in my opinion, I don't see a difference. But like I said, I did make a video. I didn't say this. I made a video just before I sent it, and I never posted it. But regardless, I did make that video, and I'll be looking back at it to see if those parts are actually there. Because I never said what was missing, so I don't even know what to look for. But yeah, regardless, folks, I've never had an issue with BLI before. But I have heard people tell me before that BLI's customer service or repair service is horrible. And to be honest, I never thought that was true. I thought it was a lie, to be honest. So yeah, that's gonna leave it for me here, and I'll show you guys some clips of the old big boy before I send it out. Alright, let's continue. Alrighty, folks, so as you can see here, very interesting, the front bit there is not there. So I guess maybe my model didn't come with that. Interesting. I'm now looking here. You can see that the whistle was present on my model before I sent it. This is from an unreleased video, by the way, which I might release eventually. I don't know when, though. And now for the next one here. You can see that the PTC antenna is there on top of the roof. This is probably a week or maybe a day before I sent it, and I had it in the box for like a week too, because Canada Post was on strike, as I'm Canadian. Now, it did come a long way, I will say, from Florida. But yeah, I think it should have been packed enough that it wouldn't have been damaged. But regardless here, last picture, as you can see, all of the rear handrails were together. And I will say this was loose in the box too when I got it, which isn't good. It should have not been loose. But yeah, as you can see, regardless, it's not my fault. I didn't break anything. So yeah. Yeah, but alright, I guess I'm just gonna request more parts from BLI. Again, unfortunately, and with the tariffs now, how much will this cost? Probably like $1 billion. So yeah, that's great. Yeah, but regardless, thanks for watching, folks. And yeah, I guess that's gonna be it for me today. And I'll see you in my next one. Goodbye, folks.